Hello and welcome. I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how in Procreate you can easily and simply color within the lines in your artwork. Alright, to start we have my line art here. First you're going to want to go to layers, duplicate your line art. As you can see, mine's a panel for a comic. Then you go to that new one that you placed under your layer, and you're going to want to fill the areas in your line art that you want to color in. You're going to then go to that artwork and alpha lock it. And now, as you see when I color in, only the areas I previously colored within the artwork using the color fill are going to allow me to color within them. So those two white boxes, my drawing will not be able to penetrate them, even if you see my cursor trying to draw in them. Now, a quick explanation. Alpha in artwork and pictures means transparency. And so what we're basically telling Procreate is that we want to lock all the areas with transparency so we can't draw within them. Once we turn alpha lock off again, you'll be able to draw in them just like you saw there. Alright, now if you wanted to only color in one panel at a time, let's delete that previous thing, leaving our original line art. We're going to duplicate it again, go to the bottom line art, let's select our gray color again, and fill in one panel. Now once we turn alpha lock on for this layer, we'll only be able to draw within that one panel. As you can see, it's currently working. Alright, say you wanted to draw a different panel now. Go to your layers, you're going to want to duplicate that original line art, drag it underneath, and then you're going to want to fill in a new panel and simply start coloring on that once you have enabled alpha lock. You can do this for each panel or each section of line art, and you'll be able to draw separately within them. And that's basically the extent of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. And if anyone wants a part of Procreate explained that they don't currently understand, just leave a comment and I'll see about